I am so fed up with all this hair. It just all needs to go. And halt, freeze right there. So this guy right here, he's crazy. This hair is not going away. Never. So we were part of this Beard Up Challenge 2020, and this is what it looked like beforehand. This is what it looked like after. And I can tell you right now, this beard is never going away. We might trim up a little bit, but a big beard does not grow if you trim your beard. Hi, you guys. So, trying out something new, a little bit of editing magic, right? So, I do want to trim up a little bit, mainly the cheeks, this neck down here, but all of this right here, no, not going anywhere. But I'm not going to do it on video. So, I also need to get a haircut. So, let's go take care of that. And there we go. No, let me go fix this, and I'll get right back to you. All right, there we go, guys. So, when got my hair did, yeah, trimmed up my beard, right up underneath. So, obviously, to have a big, long beard, you don't trim it. So, I take the hair off my neck because, yes, I am a walking Yeti. I am a hairy man. So, this will all blend down in. You can see I got, even though it's white, hair down my chest. And yeah, so I try to keep this trimmed up, keep the patchwork off the cheeks. And it's all for a great cause. So if you guys have never checked out the Beard Up Challenge 2020, it's two teams, right? Team of Beardica and team the Bob's Beard AdVanture. Go check them out. I'll put the link down in the description to when all of this started, right? And I'll even put out the first little flyer that they had sent out. So, two great causes, right? Helping out a veteran. The veteran so happened to be us, to get the blacksmith shop built. That's Team Beardica. This is from the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla. They are the ones that are deciding to help with the proceeds that they sell from shirts and just donations, whatever, to help us get our shop built. Okay, we're getting close. There's a few things I need to build a shed first, and then from there. So yeah, we're changing directions a little bit, and I'll get on that later. Okay, so we're gonna build a shed, and then I got to tear down a shed storage area type thing, and then from there I can start building. Okay, so I got to clear the area first, but that's onto a different story, a different video. All right. I didn't post a Beard Up Challenge video for December. I'm sorry. This is my Beard Up Challenge video for January, even though we're getting late. Okay, the last day is February 1st, and we're coming in hot. All right. So this is just the first 6-month challenge that was going on. It's basically the length, right, from the bottom of the lip to the bottom of the beard. Who can grow the longest beard, right? And then the cumulative score of both teams, right? That's going to be the team that wins. But the thing is, even though we're doing a little competition, right? This wasn't a real big competition. There's only a few gentlemen that are doing it. Okay. We're still going to be doing the growing of our beards. And Jeff, as the Vanilla Gorilla, right? Him and I, we're going to continue to do this even past February 1st. So I've already said I'm not shaving my beard ever again because you guys saw the picture. No, I can't do that no more. So yeah, I've already devoted myself to growing my beard probably for the rest of my life. Unless something happens that I have to get rid of it, it's not going away anytime soon. So from here on out, I'm going to terminal growth. So what is terminal growth? Well, every single person can only grow a beard so long, can only grow their hair so long before their body just stops growing hair, right? That's your terminal growth. I don't know what mine is because whenever I first started this Beard Up Challenge, I was already a year and a half in. I had a fairly decent long beard, but it was still growing. So from here on out, that's it. I'm going terminal growth. And Jeff and Tammy have already said that they're going to help us with getting this shop built. They're foreseeing it to the end, and we love you guys. We thank you. Everyone that has donated to us, thank you. Even right, our coal forge that was donated, we still get proceeds from them. Thank you. That goes into helping with that forge build and helping with, just getting materials and fixing the stuff, right? Thank you for Billy and Rhonda over at Strong's AdVanture. You guys also, you're donating your proceeds from your first year of being monetized to help us build our shop. Thank you. That first check that already came out, you saw we bought a lot of stuff for the shop, tools and whatnot, things that we need for the classes. Classes are still happening. Okay, for those of you that don't know, I am teaching veterans the introductory to blacksmithing and like a little beginner's course for free. It's completely free. This is normally a $125 class, here locally in the area. So if you're a veteran, you're looking to get into blacksmithing, hit me up, because I can do at least 4 people in one setting. As of right now, it's still cold. We're still outside, so we kind of have to work around the weather. Okay, but yeah, Beard Up Challenge 2020. This one's almost in the bag, so now we're going to be doing Beard Up Challenge 2021. Moving forward, okay, getting the blacksmithing in, getting the woodworking in, getting the builds that we need to get done in. Okay, so this year is full of a lot of excitement. A lot of things are coming, so definitely stick with us. All right. We definitely appreciate you. If you made it this far, please subscribe, because it does show a lot of our people watching our videos are not subscribers. It's like up in a 60 percentile of you are not subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Share it out to your friends. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.